Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you do not want to use the voicemail and you want to turn off it permanently on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply dial a simple code on your dial pad, which is a star hash 004 hash. And after that you have to simply press OK, and your voicemail will be deactivated. So the next step is you have to simply turn off the voicemail from the phone settings. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of apps. So here you have to scroll it down all the way down, you will find the option of phone settings. So here you have to simply click on that. So here you will find the option of live voicemail. So if you find the option, then you have to click on that, and after that a toggle will be available where you have to simply turn off that toggle. And after turning off the toggle, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device. And after restarting your device, you have to check whether your voicemail has been turned off or not. If it is still turned on, then you have to simply repeat that procedure again, which means you have to simply go to for dial pad, and after that dial the same code, and you have to go to settings again, and you have to try to turn off the voicemail from phone settings. So in this way you can simply turn off the voicemail on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.